Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today's video is a sponsored video from Annie's. As you guys know, if you've been with me for a little while, I have been doing Annie's videos for a very long time. And I really love their product, and that's one reason why I don't mind doing them. So, I got this in the mail. This is the package it comes in. I think the other package used to be a blue, and then they switched to this. So this was a really nice surprise one day when I went to the mail and kind of saw something different. So they kind of switched it up, updated it, I guess, and I really like it. So what I got in the mail, this is their Hook and Needle Kit Club. And so it comes like this. This is the package. And this one came with a little note that tells you, I guess, a mistake that was in the pattern. And it says like it's on page 2, and it has what the correction should be. So thank you, Annie's, for including that in my kit. I will actually tape that to the inside of the pattern so that I do not lose that little piece of paper. All right, let's go ahead and dig into what is in this kit. Now, it's a Hook and Needle Kit Club. So that means it's crochet and knit. So here is a picture. It says Ripple Lapkin. Isn't that pretty? And then here is the knit one. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so there's no additional pictures on the inside. Sometimes they have additional picture on the inside. So this is the crochet and this is the knit. And both patterns are in here. So that's cool. Let's see. The other thing is you can go online to your account and there is a right and left-handed tutorial on how to do this, crochet or knit. So that's pretty cool. I like that. In case I get stomped somewhere and I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do or what they're trying to tell me, I can always go watch the video and check it out. And the other thing is that I like about Annie so much is because if I lose this glossy pattern right here, then I can always go to my account and retrieve it. It won't be glossy. I'll just have to print it out. Be on black and white paper because I don't have a color printer. But here is the yarn. It's a medium 4-weight yarn, and oh my gosh, does this feel good. Guys, look at that. I can't guarantee that if you get this kit that these will be the same colors in yours, because I'm not sure how Annie's does that. But this is the color that they sent me. It says cool machine wash, tumble dry, gentle low heat, do not bleach, do not iron. 50% acrylic, 50% polyester, 156 yards. And it came with 3 skeins to finish this project. So I just want to show that to you guys. Look at it again. And it is super soft. This will make a wonderful soft lapgan. So thank you, Annie's, for sending this to me this month. And I really appreciate it. So anyway, I'd like to encourage you, if you haven't signed up for Annie's, I will have a link in the description box below that you can click on and, check out. They have tons of other kits, not just this one. But you can go and check out all their kits, or you can sign up for the Hook and Needle Kit Club, which I am enjoying very, very much. All right, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.